Hello, I'm Kurt from Medisave, and today I'd like to tell you about the first aid products we have to make sure your first aid supplies are easily located and accidents are recorded. It's a legal requirement for all workplaces with 10 or more employees to have an accident book. However, we would recommend an accident book for any workplace. The MediPro accident book is fully compliant with GDPR, Rivedoor and HSC guidelines and contains 40 easy to tear out sheets. The book is available as A4 or A5 and includes instructions on how to fill out an accident form. Now, there's two things you need to remember. The accident book must remain accessible to employees at all times, and completed accident forms must be removed under GDPR guidelines. MediPro also offers an instant ice pack, and whilst these aren't a legal requirement, we consider them essential for a well-rounded first aid kit. These ice packs require no refrigeration, activate instantly, and remain cold for up to 15 minutes. Just remember to wrap them in the cloth before applying to the skin. It's also important to make sure everyone knows where the first aid kit is located. The best way to do this is by displaying first aid signs. We have a wide range of relevant signs to help with this. Signs to indicate first aid kits and rooms, general directional signs, first aider signs so everyone knows who the first aider is and where they're located, and other first aid emergency signs such as eye wash stations and safe drinking water. These signs are available in 1mm rigid plastic and self-adhesive vinyl. All of these items are in stock and ready for dispatch, so if you need to replace or replenish anything, we can get them to you as soon as possible. If you can't find the signs you need, we also do customization. Please contact our customer services team for further information. Thank you.